Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your volume mixer is not opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in services. Best match should come back with services listed right above app. So go ahead and open that up. And you want to locate the Windows Audio service and double click on it. You want to stop the service if it's currently running, and then you want to start it. So you basically just want to cycle through it. And then also you want to make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then select apply and OK. Close out of here and open up the search menu. Type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select other troubleshooters on the right side, and then underneath most frequent playing audio, select the run button. And then I'd recommend following along with any of the on-screen prompts here, and then hopefully again that should have resolved the problem. Make sure your speakers are also turned on, and make sure your output device, like if you're using external speakers, are properly connected to your computer. And you might want to try switching it to a different port. You might have an issue with the USB port you're attaching it to. And if you're using an external speaker, like a Bluetooth speaker or batteries, perhaps make sure that everything has power and it's working properly and it's turned on. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.